Hello everyone. Welcome to commodity market. Silver rate MCX multi commodity exchange. Silver rate 71,900. Live market price. Silver rate change 28 0.0%. Volume 4159. Spot 71,606. Technical chart. Silver rates. Hot gold silver contract. Silver news. Gold falls rupees 80, silver declines rupees 400. Gold rate today. Gold prices in India slip on the dollar. Strange. Check price of yellow metal in Delhi, Ahmedabad and other cities. Okay, gold price fell by 0.29% on the multi commodity exchange of India due to the strengthening of the dollar index, which went above the 104 mark. The increase in the value of the greenback was primarily cause. Silver spot details. Silver versus other precious metals. Silver spot rate details. Ahmedabad 71,606 unit 1 kg, change 0.35. Index 228. Okay. Silver versus other precious metal commodity. Gold gunia and gold petal. Gold M, gold, silver M, silver micro, gold petal, gold M and gold gunia. Gold bullion 31st May 2023 49,499 8 grams. Gold petal 31st May 2023 6,001 gram. And gold M 5 June 2023 59,950 10 gram. And silver M 30 June 2023 71,975 1 kg. Okay, silver versus fear intraday range. Other contracts. Silver contract details 2023. Symbol silver and contract start date 18/7/2022. Last trading date 5/7/2023. Lot size 30. Tick size 100 and symbol description silver. Delivery start date 29/6/2023. Delivery end date 6/7/2023. Symbol info silver 99999X Ahmedabad. And tender period start 29/6/2023. Tender period end date 5/7/2023. Commodity group precious metal. Okay, and silver rate historical performance 2/6/2023, silver 5 July 2023, open 72,999 and high 72,999 and low 71,950 and previous close 72,594. ABS minus 644 and change minus 0.89. Okay, next. Okay, so guys, next gold rate. MCX multi commodity exchange, live market price 59,935, 87, change 0.15, volume 1792, spot 59, spot price 59,794. Technical chart, yellow metal, hot gold, gold contract details, gold news, hot gold, gold contract, gold MCX 4 August 2023. A survey from the Institute for Supply Management show the US services sector barely grew in May as new orders slow and pushing a measure of prices paid by businesses for inputs to a 3-year low, which could add the Fed fight against inflations. And gold falls rupees 80, silver declines rupees 400. Back positive economy, gold prices edge lower on the back positive economy data points and higher US dollar and ELSA offsetting the supports for the prospect that the Federal Reserve and would pause its rate hikes this month. Okay, gold spot rate details. Okay, place Ahmedabad, price 59,794, unit 10 gram, change 0.62, prime dix minus 245. Okay, gold versus other precious metals. Okay, gold gunia, gold petal, gold M, silver M, gold gunia, silver micro, gold petal, gold M, silver, gold gunia. Gold gunia 31st May 2023, 49,499, 8 grams. Change 2.10 and percentage week 2.17 and change 7.59. And gold petal 31st May 2023, 6,001 gram, change 0.64 and minus 0.84 and 4.26 change contract. And gold M 5 June 2023, 59,950, 10 gram, 0.49 change and 0.87 percentage week and 6.69 change contract. Okay, and this silver M 30 June 2023, 71,939, 1 kg, percentage 1 and 14.64 change contract. Okay, gold versus speed intraday change, gold versus gold enter contract. Gold contract details. 5/6/2023, symbol gold, contract start date 16/6/2022, last trading date 5/6/2023, lot size 1, take size 100, symbol description gold 995 and delivery start date 30/5/2023. Okay, and delivery end date 6/6/2023. and symbol info gold 995x Ahmedabad, and tender period start date 35/2023 and tender period end date 5/6/2023. Commodity group precious metal. Okay. Gold rate historical performance. 2/6/2023 gold 4 August 2023 60,301 and high 60,355 and 59,581 and precious clothes 60,234 and ABS minus 632 and change minus 1.05. ओके सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।